Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Data Science NRIT. I am Dharani, final year student in Data Science at NRI Institute of Technology. In this video, I would like to share my placement journey which was held in our college with you. So I got placed in a company called Capsitech with a package of 6 lakhs per annum including CTC. Capsitech is a service-based company and also a Fintech company which was located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So let's dive into the whole interview process. The company drive contains 4 rounds. Round 1 is generally aptitude. It also consists of technical questions and all are MCQ questions. The technical questions include Python, Java, OOPS concepts and also the machine learning. We were asked to select the role. We were given 2 roles. One is full stack developer and second one is AIML Engineer. So I have chosen AIML Engineer and some role specific questions were also asked in round 1. After round 1 got cleared, we moved to the round 2. Round 2 is technical round, 1 TR round 1. It starts with the basic self-introduction and then the resume based projects, and since I have chosen the AIML role, I was asked questions regarding the machine learning and also the Python programming questions. This round was about 10 to 15 minutes. After I got cleared this round, next round is technical round 2. In TR round 2, I was asked in-depth ML questions and also the Python coding, and I also asked DSA questions also. After these 2 rounds were virtual rounds which were completely online. Completion of 2 technical rounds, TR 1 and 2, we moved to the final round which is HR round. HR round is the face-to-face round. We were asked questions in order to test our personality development and our attitude. So we were asked questions like the hobbies, family background and etc. After completion of all these rounds, we were given results in 2 days. And through this video, I would like to thank our chairman sir, principal sir, director sir, and of course the whole training and placement cell team for bringing these wonderful opportunities. And I would like to thank HOD sir, our professors and college management for the constant support. I hope this video helps you in preparing your interviews. Thank you for watching this video.